This is my science experiment, Color Symphony, with the children in my placement, documenting a pedagogical documentation learning story. Firstly, I asked the children if they want to see my Color Symphony experiment. As they agreed to join me in my experiment, and upon preparing the materials, I can see the curiosity and imagination that reflects in their minds. Moreover, upon seeing and observe what had happened on the experiment materials and come up with an amazing result, the children wondered and all interested as I see reactions, responses, excitement, and imaginations as they showed play and playfulness as their disposition of learning. Lastly, as they did the experiment by themselves, exploration, creations, and experience reflects with the children. And the Color Symphony experiment, the children expressed their ideas and imaginative thinking as they showed their imagination and creativity for what they have done.